The EU mission Restore Our Ocean and Waters by 2030 is an inspiring initiative by the European Union to protect and restore the health of our oceans and waters. At the heart of this mission are 4 regional innovation hubs, or lighthouses, located in Europe's major sea and river basins. Across the lighthouses, cutting-edge research is being funded by the mission to develop and deploy the solutions that will protect and restore EU waters. PREP4BLUE is a 3-year mission-funded project which aims to develop tools and methodologies that can be used by mission research and innovation projects to support their activities and inspire citizens and mission stakeholders to engage with the protection and restoration of our aquatic resources. The tools have been co-created by PREP4BLUE partners and mission stakeholders and include Wavelinks, an app for discovering new research and creating networks, sustainable business models and interregional financing recommendations, knowledge transfer methodologies, communication guidelines and toolkits, resources for effective stakeholder and citizen engagement, expert advice for mission stakeholders through a dedicated help desk, and much more. These resources can be used by anyone working in aquatic sectors, supporting their activities and inspiring both citizens and mission stakeholders to protect and restore Europe's waters. To access the latest PREP4BLUE results and resources, visit prep4blue.eu today.